The course itself is taught by a mixture of architects, architectural technologists, building surveyors, quantity surveyors, and that gives a depth to the course. It means that everyone sees the broader picture as opposed to just their own discipline. And I think with the more things that are coming on board, things like building information modelling, zero carbon, all these sort of issues that the government are pushing in various agendas, that it is more important than ever that we have professionals that can actually tackle those challenges. The course is sort of structured so in the first year is a common first year, so that the students are in with the architectural technologists, building surveyors, quantity surveyors, so that they're getting a rounded experience in the construction industry from the different viewpoints, not just their own discipline, which I think is important. When they get into second year, the differentiation starts. That starts with the surveyors as well, and it starts with the construction managers. They're starting to look at the management and the programming, planning, looking at the health and safety issues with regard to projects, and that differentiates them at that stage. There are industrial placement opportunities in year 3. Some go to construction, some go to the energy sector, the oil and gas sector. And that allows them to really formulate where they want to end up in the industry. Again, we've had, it's hard to tell, in our previous cohorts we've had people, the majority have gone to construction, and then next year 50-50 oil and gas, construction, next year it's all energy sector or pretty close to it. So the skills are transferable. We had an instance this last year where a big oil company wanted to talk to one of our construction management students just to see what they did. On the back of that, he was immediately offered a graduate training program, and with an inference that they would certainly take on more of these students each year. The course benefits the student from the point of view of being a manager, someone that can actually look analytically at the whole process. That makes the skills really, the word is transferable, but I mean it's maybe too often used. But the idea is that if you can project manage a construction project with all the component parts, project managing an oil rig or project managing virtually anything, the terminology is different, the technical jargon is different, but the principles are very much the same, and that's what we teach, is the principles. For example, one of the modules is an estimating module, and I lead, and that is estimating the basic principles. How do you get labour, plant, material, subcontractors? How do you get that? Now that applies whether you're building oil rigs or whether you're building, someone's kitchen or something like that. It's very much a case of looking at the principles as opposed to the complete application of it.